Howdy folks, Quizzical here, and welcome back to the Let's Play of Nefarious! We're getting ready to go into another one of our little secret missions. Hopefully we'll be able to continue the storyline as well. Although, unless I'm mistaken... Wait, is the next mission just a story mission? I don't remember. Let's go see. Did that. I'm going to try and come back and get all the crowns and show you guys what ends up happening if we get all the crowns. So, yeah, the next one is a story mission. Rattletrack Rails, Crow's Empire. Oh, wow. I know the perfect lady for the job. Colonel Apricot, front and center. Colonel Apricot, what? Aw, what a cutie. Wait, what are you doing over there? Accessorizing. You get to wear a western hat? That's a stupid. I want a cool hat too. Fair enough. Come take your pick. Why do you have so many costumes? Because I'm a professional. Is this a dress? Whatever. I'm digging this look. Would you hurry it up already? Oh yeah. We look awesome. I know. Let's ride. Oh my gosh, yes! What is this? It's an aardvark! Oh my... Okay. Uh-oh. Nope. Oh, quit shooting me! Go away. Oh, wait a minute. Those are Japanese demons, aren't they? Yeah, those are like, Kinodami? Or something like that? I forget the name. I'm murdering it, I know. They're spirits who have possessed, animate objects. And that's a kappa! Yeah! I've always wanted to rob a train. Me too, actually. Stop having cool things in common with me. Don't get invested in my plight just yet. I plan on converting your ship into a cruise line when all this is done. Ugh. Yeah, but umbrellas and stuff like that, that's something that the mythology has them do. They also possess sandals, tapestries, just about any inanimate object. But I can't remember the name. Kinodami? Something like that? Ooh, ground. And that's a kappa, for sure. I know that they're ogres, and some of the enemies are Oni, and there are Tengu enemies as well. Pop all these. Alright. Oh! Oh, gosh. What are you? Oh, I gotta pop you. Oh, dadgummit, I'm gonna die. I can't use my punch. It's only projectiles. You know, my grandpa used to tie damsels to railroad tracks. That's pretty old school, but also kind of messed up. Yeah, he didn't even ask for a ransom or anything. He just did it. I'm starting to think he wasn't all there. So his grandpa was Condor, correct? And... Oh. Got some health. Got some more health. And go away, umbrellas. Go away, possessed umbrellas. Oh, gosh. Pop you all the times. Ooh, vinyl. I seen that. Mine. I know the song. Classic train music. Tumble Gulch. That's gonna sound amazing in my jukebox. You mean my jukebox? I'm the captain now. Can't even keep my collectibles? Come on! To think I may end up dating an ogre. I didn't think Malachite was your type. I like a man that can pick up and put over my... Stop it! I don't want to hear this. Pretty. Oh. My gosh. Go away, possessed demon umbrellas! Boo! Boo, 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 boo. Okay. Oh, I love the little aardvark! The way that she's running! Is she an aardvark? I don't know, but it's Commander Apricot, right? Go, my fearless steed! Nope. Nope. Pop you. Okay. Nope. I'm only getting so many of these. There we go. Gotcha. Okay. Some more coin. Hey, I've got the final upgrade. Nice! Oh dear! Freaking Kappas. Demon umbrellas! Demon umbrellas! I'm hitting something. Kappa! Demon umbrella! Turrets! Ooh, something sounds like electricity. Crown! Give me the crown! Give me the crown! Give me the crown! Go, 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 go! I need that health. Yes. Nope. Go away! Go away! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go. Bam, bam, bam. Oh! Dadgummit. Okay, here we go again. Hey, yeah! Okay, do. If I can time this right, I can have unstoppable onslaught. But I'm impatient. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god! As soon as it comes up, boink! Oh, that's funny. That's funny to me. That shouldn't be funny to me, but I find it hilarious. Oh. Ooh, turret! Get rid of that. And then more turret? Nope. Kappa. Kappa, whatever it is. Oh, gosh. No! Stop that! No! Stop that! Got rid of you! Now, Kappa! I know they're there. Yep, there it went. There it was, and now it's gone. Okay, so up here. Demon umbrella! Boink! Demon umbrella! Boink! Freaking Kappa. No, you go away. I need that health. No. 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 Oh, gotcha. Okay. Demon umbrella! Why am I getting such a kick out of this? Oh, need that. There's that electrical noise. Oh, checkpoint. Nice. What's that? Oh! Thunder demon. Thunder spirit. Right? Is that what they're called? Oh, I gotta get under. Okay, this is not easy. Gotta keep popping it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to do damage. Ooh, it's getting me. Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. I've got so much to live for here. I'm finding out friends. I have friends. I don't want my friends to see me dead. Oh, I gotcha! I don't even know what those are called. Some kind of thunder god. Haha! Take that, you lightning monster thing. Raging. Take that, Jim. Close enough. Will those axes be able to take down the engine? With how hard I threw them, I could take down a dozen trains. Then do it, and let's get out of here. I've got sand all over me. Okay, so boink, 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 boink. Oh, that was it. I can juggle them like that. Level complete. Freaking speed run that one. Only 8 minutes. All right, sirs. It appears you have routed their ground forces quite successfully. Yeah, but we didn't find Bigger 8 herself. An important thing about that is that the Doom Howitzer is safe. Speaking of, there are no more obstacles to our plan. It is time for us to rule the world. Oh, wait, already? The coordinates for home base are locked in. At your command, we can finish this once and for all. Whoa! Is that literally the final level? Hang on. I don't want to just complete it just yet. Give me 1 second here, let me see something. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to get all the collectibles real quick, and I'm gonna see if it undoes anything. If not, then I'll go ahead and play the last level, and you guys will see that. But for now, I'm going to just go for the collectibles and show you where the ones that I missed are at. So, we'll be right back because I should be able to figure out how to get them, and I'll try and learn how to get them and show you guys how to do it. So, first let's see what the good dialogue is. Another harrowing adventure for the scrapbook. You don't seem the sort to be nostalgic. I was being sarcastic. But your adventure did produce a large amount of scrap. This can be salvaged and repurposed to gain more lucre, which is good for our books. Nice recovery. Thanks, boss. Oh man, I was watching from the airship. My princess in shining armor totally wrecked Tefra's crew. All for my sake. I'm weak in the knees right now. Oh, chemicals. Train heist music. Ariella is so heroic, swooping in and rescuing her prince. It's so inspiring. What a brute of a princess. I dare say I harbor ill feelings towards that Princess Tifra. I'm glad I have Ariella in our corner. What? What does that mean? Hang on. Hang on. I just did a translate function. That says I love trains. Okay. Okay, that's cute. Alright. You got a real grit, Crow. I thought you were some half-cocked egghead engineer in a tin suit. I mean, that's what you are, but you also don't shy away from a good fight. You're kind of short for a youth. You're practically a dwarf. Upgrade. Final upgrade. Yeah. Alright. Complete. Sweet. Achievement unlocked. War machine. I like it. Alright. Now, to get the hidden parts. Got all that one. Got all that one. Go over here. Ooh, don't have this one. Oh, crud. Wrong button. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Holy shoot, when you play this game after getting all the upgrades, it's like freaking easy. Look at this. Holy shoot, that guy got messed up. Holy shoot. Oh, do I have to get that? I bet I have to get them all. Crud, kill me. Wait, is there a spot where I can just jump off? I don't want to go there. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I don't need to get them all again. I probably do. So that's gonna be get rid of you, get rid of you, and you, and you, and you. This is like freaking One Punch Man. Oh my gosh. It is One Punch Man. You wanna know why? Because everything goes down in One Punch! to. And... quit bouncing. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay. I know where the... Oh my god! Just boom! Boom! I love this freaking combo that I got going on here. Okay, so up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, boom, got it all. Okay. My God. This is freaking epic. Okay, I know where the missing crown is. Yep, we gotta do it. Blah, 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 blah. Wait a minute. This fight's different. Look at this. Whoa, 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 hold up! Get back away! Holy shoot! Huh. Wow. Okay, so not everything is the same. Now I got... okay. Yep, Princess Ariella. And then she decides to ride me. Okay, get the crown, get the crown, get the crown, get the crown, get the crown. Got it! Yes! Okay, now I gotta get the last one. Oh, do I have more? Oh, I only have 3 axes. Let's see if anything's different here. I only have 3 axes? So far, nothing. Whoa! I just realized I have the heart container following me. What in the world? I guess I'm running too fast for the collection mechanic to come into play. I'm already passing monsters and it's like, nope, we're still gonna kill you. Oh, I thought I got that. Got the last one. Okay, now I should be able to finish the level fairly easy, right? Next kingdom! Okay, got Heartless Abyss. What about this? Wait. Sukochi, the Ogre King. Alright, so I'm missing the first crown here. How do I get it? We're gonna find out. Okay. Do you mind? I'm doing a recording here. Thank you. Okay, here in Sukochi, this one is supposed to be very, very, very hard. And the only way I can figure out how to do it is like this. But I have to line it up like that. Oh wait, I've got the wrong grenades. One moment. Okay. Okay, here's the deal. I have been trying this forever, and I actually had to look up how to try and get this particular crown. And the only way it's telling me to do it is a grenade jump, right? Here's the thing, I have to use those grenades. I have to line it up perfect to where it'll get there and it'll explode as I'm jumping on it. And I'm gonna check something real quick. And, okay, I can just activate the bomb jump whenever I want, because you see, whenever I don't, they land right there, and it's... Nope! Apparently, I need to be more careful. But I can launch them up into the air and use them actually to jump with. See, if I do it right here, I can jump at any time, but if I leave it alone, it takes forever. So I can just take and do like this, and then jump with it, or if I do it like that, nothing, boom, right? If I jump on a bomb, it will explode, launch me farther. So, from what I'm finding out, I need to launch this at a certain angle, which is just so far, and then I need to jump on it and make it explode to launch me. I need to jump on it and make it explode so that way it'll launch me forward. Problem is getting it to do that. Well, that was pretty cool, so I need to do that. Oh, no. See, the worst part is that the longer I hold the trigger, if I just tap it, it only launches like that. So I've got to tap, jump, and land on it at the same time. But... that was almost it. Okay, I almost got it. I think I figured it out. Yeah! I did it! Oh my gosh, I've been on this for so long! Oh, and I get an achievement for that. Thank you! Now I gotta get the rest of the crowns. Right. Oh, what's that smell? I know that smell.
Hero repellent. We have to put the stuff down or this place starts crawling with them.
Of course, I should have known. I'd spray that on the fence in the software. So that's what that said. Well, at least you can replay the games to catch any missed dialogue. That's pretty good. Okay, next area! Alright everybody, here we are at this final crown. Here, right up there. I've got to figure out how to get up there through using this. And I read a guide on what it tells me to do, and it's going to be kind of difficult. So, we're going to check this out before I do anything else. And I can't get up there. Okay. So, okay, whatever. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. I've got to get it there, get it here, and somehow, and do it fast enough time. See, this is going to be hard. Dang it, that didn't work. Why isn't it working? Got it! Oh wow! Did that on my first try without dying. Sweet! Get out of here. Next round. Okay, the crown is actually up there. I have died to this I don't know how many times. We're going to see about doing this right, and this is going to be pretty darn difficult. Okay. Oh. got it. See, it took so long trying to figure out that, hey, these guys shift around whenever you launch grenades on them. So, yeah. Now we get to... Oh, hey! Since we're here, maybe I can figure out what happens if we drop him into the acid Dr. Cackle, you know? Yeah, let's figure out what that happens. Okay, like I thought, we're going to have to make this decision to see what happens anyway for the game. So, since I went ahead and did the good route first, let's see what happens when we drop him. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, drop him.
Drop him in. Guys like him don't learn from their mistakes. He'll try again next week. Villains can recognize their own, and I can see a big green rat.
You're probably right. Sometimes my desire to see good in everyone blinds me to what's really happening. And I'm so very tired of being let down. No. I've made a lot of mistakes. But this will not be one of them. Dr. Cackle, you are under arrest. Oh, well that's good. Okay. And then it just goes on from there. And blah 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 blah. Princess! And that's the end of the level. Okay. That actually should be it for all the hidden crowns and everything else. Let's see. Macro City, got them. Insectia, got them. Winterdown, Heartless Abyss, Sukochi, as soon as it pulls up again. Let's see. Yeah, Sukochi. Ferris Folly. Nope, dang it. Go back. Adepco Labs. Dr. Cackle's Lab. Villain Museum. And Rattletrack Rails. Now what we like is this one, Bramble Flats. Okay, well, that actually should be the game for right now. I'm going to hold off on the last level until the next video. So, for right now, this is going to be the end of this one. So, if you liked the video, please leave a like. If you want to leave a comment, please do so. I enjoyed reading them. Also, if you want to see more of this video or others like it, please hit subscribe, and when you do, hit that bell so that way you get a notification of when the next video is up. Either way, this has been Quizzical. Laters!